Stop stretching your back the wrong way. If your spine feels older than you are, these simple movements can help improve flexibility and reduce stiffness. Exercise number 1. Let's start with the cobra stretch. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. This stretch gently extends your lower back, improves spinal mobility, reduces stiffness from prolonged sitting, and may help relieve pressure in the lower back. Repeat 2 to 3 times while breathing slowly. Exercise number 2. Stand tall with your hands on your hips. Slowly lean backward as far as comfortable, then return to the starting position. Repeat 10 to 15 times. This movement improves lumbar spine mobility, reduces stiffness caused by prolonged sitting, and helps restore your spine's natural extension. Move slowly and avoid forcing the movement. Exercise number 3. Tighten your abdominal muscles and gently flatten your lower back against the floor. Hold for 5 seconds, then relax. Repeat 10 to 15 repetitions. Pelvic tilts improve spinal stability, activate your deep core muscles, and help reduce lower back pain by improving pelvic control. Exercise number 4. Push through your heels and lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Squeeze your glutes for 2 seconds, then slowly lower down. Perform 12 to 15 repetitions for 3 sets. Strong glutes reduce stress on the lower back, improve posture, and support a healthier spine. Exercise number 5. Slowly slide one leg straight behind you while reaching the opposite arm forward. Keep your spine neutral and your core engaged. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds, then switch sides. Perform 10 repetitions per side. This exercise strengthens the deep core muscles, improves balance, and increases spinal stability to help reduce back pain. Exercise number 6. Finish with child's pose. Sit back onto your heels, stretch your arms forward, and lower your chest toward the floor. Hold this position for 30 to 45 seconds while breathing deeply. This gentle stretch relaxes the muscles around your spine, reduces lower back tension, improves flexibility, and helps your back feel more mobile and refreshed. Consistency is the key to a healthy spine. Perform these exercises 3 to 5 times a week to improve mobility, reduce stiffness, and build a stronger, more resilient back. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe,